Hey guys, so another quick video. I remember showing you guys this in my previous video where I had this and a few of these. So these were some old ones that I had purchased a long time ago, and they come in these little cute cases here. But I don't want to keep them in here because this is just too like complicated to get to, since I had 3 of these. So I had them all in here, and then I wanted to be able to throw this out and get something else where I can put these in. So I saw this, and now before I put the top on it so I can show you where I got this from, I saw it and I was like, oh, I think this would fit perfect for it, not knowing if it would or not, but I said let me try it anyways. So if you didn't guess it, I got this from this. I love the top part, by the way. I want to try to take this out, but yeah, so I saw this and I was like, oh my god, look at that. First of all, look at this. This looks so pretty. And then it's another way for me to have my stuff in here all nice and neat and in one compartment. So I am going to try to see if they still sell these because these are so old. So I'm going to see if they still sell these and then get another one so that I can move these over and then have 2 more rows of these. But I thought this was a cute, like, non-DIY DIY.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Where I just kind of use this to have everything all together. So if you guys are looking for something like that or just have this, they had this at my office at my job, so they brought it and I was like, okay, I want the case, thank you. And I took the case and look, so now I have my own little place to hold my things in here. So I do want to purchase some more of these so that I can put the other stuff that I purchased in here because they're still in the wheels. And that's it. It's another short video just to show you where I am putting my little, I don't know what to call these, containers, jars, whatever you guys call them. But anyways, I hope you guys like this, and I'll be back with some more short videos.